I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Do bring in multimedia and engaging graphics. We are bringing in some video clips later on the show you're going to do. We always bring up graphics, lower thirds, pull a lower third up as an example to show them what we do. But one of the things is don't let your graphics block your content. So you're going to bring up that lower third. As you can see here, we've positioned the content, the screen, so that the lower third can be down here in front of me and it's not overlapping what's there. Now, some shows, we run into a little difficulty where the lower third will be on top of the table while our product. So we'll bring the table up or put me a little differently because we don't want the lower third graphic to come up on and overlap what's there. Sometimes we've done shows on this, you don't have the kind of flexibility that we have now, so you have to design your PowerPoints kind of have or your slides to have a hole in it where you're going to put your video image of someone. So